Welcome. My name's Tan Tran, the Corporate Sales Manager for 3 Point Motors Mercedes-Benz here at Fairfield. Today I'm going to introduce you to the one-of-a-kind Mercedes-Maybach S650. Wilhelm Maybach was known for his creativity and development of the tubular and honeycomb radiator. Later developing the Maybach brand, the detail and finish on every model radiates all things prestige and indulgence. What really captures my attention about this car is the one-off custom colour, Titan Red. With Magic Body Control active suspension, it allows control of the vehicle body motions and therefore virtually eliminates body roll in many driving situations, including cornering, accelerating and braking. This beautiful S650 is finished in a Brown Burr Walnut high gloss wood trim with Espresso Brown, Silk Beige Exclusive Nappa Leather. The rear seats also have up to 77mm more legroom than the long wheelbase S-Class. This S650 includes the Burmeister high-end 3D surround sound system with 24 speakers, 24 amplifier channels and a total system output of 1,540 watts. There are also individual rear entertainment systems, including 2 wireless headsets and wireless charging for mobile phones. This model presents as a 4-seater, electronically extending footrests on the front passenger side and 2 individual rear seats which are electronically adjustable, include memory function and have personal folding tables. This car is truly one of a kind. The attention to detail and beautiful finish is impeccable and exudes luxury. Thank you for watching. For more, hit the subscribe button on our channel, and I look forward to seeing you here at 3 Point Motors Mercedes-Benz, Fairfield, Kew and Epping.